Hi, this is going to show you how to get a free version of Office, and you can download it and install it on your PC. You have to have about 4 or 5 gig free on your PC in order for it to not cause you any hassle. You go to office.com and sign in and use your college email. It'll start with 21, your first name dot last name at libertiescollege.ie, and then you say next and you type in the password that you've been given. And when that happens, you log into your Office 365 account, and it looks, for me, because I've been using it in the past, it's got all my recent items that I've looked at in front of me. But for you, it should have a welcome screen. And you can see on this side, there's the Install Office button. And this allows you to install the Office directly onto the PC that you're going to be using for college. But you can very easily continue to use Office in the cloud and using all of your online apps that have been given to you for free using your college login. So you can see the common apps that you'll be using for college: Word for any word processing that you'll be doing, Excel for any spreadsheet methods, presentations that you might want to create in PowerPoint, your Outlook email that you'll be given as well, your student email. And this is also where you can access your calendar, which should be updated with all of your assignment due dates and any of the calendar information necessary for college. So any days off, any midterm breaks, things like this should all be found in your Outlook calendar. The main area you're going to be looking at a lot will be OneDrive. This is opening up my online OneDrive. This basically is quick access to any of your folders that you have created, or any folders that you may create in the future. So all of your documents, either Excel, PowerPoint, Word, whatever documents you made while logged in to a college PC, or logged in online at home, or even logged in using the college login you were given onto the actual OneDrive app or Office app within your PC itself, everything should be stored in the one place. It's also a SharePoint behind it, which means it's another a place to share files, a place to store files. So these are just the different Microsoft words that you need to be familiar with. So OneDrive is like your cloud storage, where most of your documents should save to automatically when you've logged in. So if I go to the little waffle icon on the top left and choose Excel, it will launch the home screen of my Excel. And all my recommended or recently opened Excel spreadsheets will be down the bottom. But you can click on New Workbook. One way, if you don't want to install the entire of Office on your PC, you can just go to File, Info, and then Open in Desktop App will actually start the download process just for Excel if you want to do that, if you're kind of short on space. So that's another way that you can get it directly down onto your PC. And it all comes for free with your college login, and I'd highly recommend turning on your saving automatically, and that you're always saving into the OneDrive space. That's the one thing that I noticed with a lot of students, that one of the unnecessary causes of stress was losing work, not finding work. And if you get organized at the beginning of the year, it will save you a lot of stress going forward, and I'll do another video on that. Thanks for watching.